Yo, what's up YouTube? I'm up here at Tires Plus, getting the car worked on. As you can tell from the title of the video, we are getting new wheels put on the car because apparently the two back wheels is bent and it's causing the car to shake. And instead of paying $611 per wheel, I decided to go on eBay and get a whole set of aftermarket wheels. Stay tuned. We're gonna see what we're doing, and I'm gonna show you the end result. I'm not gonna record on the inside for everybody's privacy, but yeah, give me a few seconds. It's gonna be right back into the video, show you the complete outcome of how the new wheels look, the before and after. So there she is on the left, getting the tires done. All the way down there, there's the new wheels. So they already got two done, working on the other two. All right, guys, this is the finished product. Came out pretty good. I wish I would have went 19s, but it is what it is. I like the outcome. Like, subscribe. Let me know what y'all think, yo.